Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 10 pre-workout foods that can give you energy. Before we get started with our list, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Whether you're lifting weights, running a marathon, or simply aiming to stay active, the pre-workout food you eat can directly impact how well you perform and how quickly you recover. Pre-workout nutrition isn't about eating more, it's about eating smart. The best pre-workout food options can provide sustained energy, improve focus, and support muscle strength during training. Knowing how to fuel your workout for the best results, preferably without getting a stitch, can be a difficult one and differs from person to person. While some people like to get up at the crack of dawn and do a fasted workout, this isn't for everyone, and if you're working out midway through the day, then you're going to want to eat beforehand and pack in some pre-workout foods. You're also going to want to eat right, so that you can get through your workout without feeling sluggish from too much or lethargic from too little. Let's get started. Number 1. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a great pre-workout snack because they are high in complex carbohydrates, which are a great source of energy. They also contain fiber, which can help you feel full and prevent you from overeating before your workout. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, which can help support muscle function and prevent cramping during your workout. Number 2. Oats. Oats are another excellent pre-workout snack because they are also high in complex carbohydrates. They are also a good source of protein and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied before your workout. Protein can also help repair and build muscle tissue after your workout. Number 3. Banana. Bananas are a popular pre-workout snack because they are high in potassium, which can help prevent cramping during your workout. They also contain carbohydrates and sugars, such as glucose and fructose, which can give you a quick burst of energy. The carbs and sugar in bananas can help increase your energy levels and improve your endurance during your workout. Number 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein and a good source of complex carbohydrates. It is also high in fiber, iron, and magnesium, all of which can help you feel full and energized before your workout. Quinoa is a complete protein and a good source of complex carbohydrates. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in fat, making it a great pre-workout snack that can help you feel full and prevent overeating. Protein can also help repair and build muscle tissue after your workout. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium and vitamin D, which can help support bone health. Number 6. Brown rice. Brown rice is a whole grain that is high in complex carbohydrates and fiber. This can help you feel full and satisfied before your workout and prevent you from overeating. Brown rice also contains manganese, selenium, and magnesium, all of which can help support energy production during your workout. Number 7. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a great pre-workout snack because it is high in protein and low in fat. This can help you feel full and prevent overeating before your workout. Protein can also help repair and build muscle tissue after your workout. Chicken breast is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B6, niacin, and selenium. Number 8. Almonds. Almonds are a healthy snack that is high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These nutrients can help keep you feeling full and satisfied before your workout and prevent overeating. Almonds also contain antioxidants and vitamin E, which can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Number 9. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a great pre-workout snack because they are high in magnesium and zinc. These nutrients can help support energy production and prevent cramping during your workout. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of healthy fats and fiber, which can keep you feeling full and satisfied before your workout. Number 10. Skim milk. Skim milk is a great pre-workout drink because it is high in calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients can help support muscle function and prevent cramping during your workout. Skim milk is also a good source of protein, which can help repair and build muscle tissue after your workout. And there you have it, the top 10 pre-workout foods that can give you energy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. Stay healthy and active, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, have a wonderful day.